Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be going to the Pearland Town Center down in the area close to where I live. And I'm going to be going with a couple friends, maybe just one. And so, I'm about to go. So we just got Carly, or Carly just got me. We're going to the mall, so. I had a thing for dirty shoes since I was 10. Love dirty men alike. Ooh, she's so good. Carly, where are we?
At Barnes & Noble.
Yes. So we're at Barnes & Noble. What are we gonna get in here?
Watch, I can click my heels. Ready?
Okay, you're gonna what?
Are you gonna record it?
What are you doing? Okay.
No, I'm never going back, never going back. No, you can't make me. Never going back.
I did that, bro.
Okay, we're gonna go get some coffee. We're in Barnes & Noble. Let's not be loud.
Did you see me click my heels? Like I'll do it again.
Never going back. They never take me. I paid enough of petty dues. I put enough of shitty news. I had a thing for dirty shoes.
Hey, Gabby.
Hey.
Say hey.
I'm on it again.
Yes, you're in the vlog again.
I knew y'all were
Oh, Jada.
I knew y'all were gonna be loud when y'all came in.
There's what? Guys, I have my Starbucks gift card.
You wanna give me I didn't bring my Starbucks gift card. I brought my depending on how much. I knew y'all were gonna be loud.
We're vlogging. Okay, we're gonna get a coffee.
How much do you have in
Huh?
How much do you have? We have to whisper.
Like $5. I got it from Miss Munoz.
I lost mine.
Hey Carly, hey Jada. A coffee. About to go shopping. Coffee and shopping mixed together. Come on.
Oh, we're going. Jimmy, throw that away.
Oh, thank you. Carly. Who died? Gabby.
Send me that clip.
Shut up. So we're in, what are we in? H&M? We are in H&M, right Jada? These clothes are on sale.
$9.99.
Oh, for real?
Very nice.
Oh, hey Carly.
Look, this is $9.99. No. You wanna come to this store because literally.
Hey Gabby.
I don't want the rest of this.
Okay, come look at the boys with me. At the boys' clothes. Come look at the boys' clothes.
Jasper is cute. That one. What kind of clothes are you looking for? Why are you vlogging?
Why not? Okay, come on. We need to go into Rue 21 in Hollister.
Those are Never mind. These are nice. Eat. You don't like any clothes from here? Oh, look at the jacket.
Oh, Thrasher may be on sale.
Okay,
So we just
got matching jackets for like
$60 something. We just got matching jackets. Where did Gavin go? How long had he been here?
Gavin, me too. Hey guys, I'm cute.
Can y'all see us?
Hey, can you see me?
Can you see me?
Here, I'm gonna hold it.
Alright.
What? Carly, good.
Wait, can you see me?
Alright, if we go out to if we go out to eat, can you pay?
Yeah.
And I'll pay you back.
Yeah.
Guys, do y'all want to go to Red Robin?
I want to go to Claire's, but yes.
Okay.
Open.
You want to go to Red Robin? Okay.
Go. I don't got money.
Gabby said she'll pay for it.
Really?
We'll just pay her back.
Yeah.
So Gabby's gonna pay for us when we go to Red Robin, because you know.
I'll say that. Cause my mom don't care if I pay for you, but
Right, yeah.
I bet she'll get annoyed if I pay for some. I mean, it's my money on my card, so.
Yeah.
Can you see me?
Yeah.
Hey guys, so I'm taking over Jimmy's vlog. Jimmy, say hi.
Hey.
My arms are burning. Do I know her? Is that Haley?
Who? Okay.
Just kidding. Ow, I got a paper cut. Okay, yeah, this is burning my arms. This is my workout.
It burns your arms.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, I should have keep looking.
Oh.
Look. I didn't try the earrings. But they miss it. That, she says she got her face online. Girl, you got it here.
Who?
I don't remember who said it. Look, you can put your phone right here. Isn't that live?
Yes, that's so cool.
Oh, hey Fatima. Ooh, people. Just kidding.
Alright, so tell them we'll see them when we
You
see
know
Red
that does not
Robin.
work. What?
Tell them we'll get ready.
Okay, we'll see you guys when we go to Red Robin.
So Carly, where are we?
Red Robin.
What are we about to do? Eat what?
Looking at you.
I don't care. We are famous, Carly. They can look at us. That dude just looked at me like we're crazy. We are crazy. Y'all gonna find out as soon as this video is posted because you know what? We're getting famous. We're getting featured.
I better get some money from this. You get money from your YouTube videos?
I could have on my last channel, but you know what? I forgot my password, so I couldn't get paid.
So you can't get money on this channel?
I can get money on this channel since I made a new channel and I have my views and stuff, you know?
I'm probably gonna be ugly, but you know, it's okay.
Let's not tell the world how ugly we really look.
Oh, they don't see, but
They're gonna see when y'all meet us because we're gonna have a meet and greet. We're having a meet and greet on the first week of summer, alright?
whoever wants to meet us, maybe.
If we get over 1,000 views on this video by the summer, we're definitely gonna have a meet and greet. 1,000. That's a big fan.
Shut up. I freaking hate you.
You freaking hate me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, I don't have service in here. What's funny?
Carly, your tag's on your pants. your tag is on your pants. Right there. Your tag. I'm just kidding. Just kidding. Hey, Gabby.
I'm about to. I want the kids macaroni.
Jada. She's kind of upset right now. She's going through a mental breakdown.
Why am I going to?
I'm just kidding.
That could be the
Jimmy!
Turn off the camera, Jimmy.
We're about to get our food. Oh my god. No.
Yes, you're not gonna get it, you're not.
Hey, Carly. Was that food good? Gabby.
You're looking good.
Gabby.
Get Journey.
What?
He had a third ear.
Dawson. Jada. We already ate our food.
I'm still eating.
And then there's me. Can you see me?
Yeah.
No, you
Gotta get
can't.
her pineapple.
I look good and fresh. Wait, let me show them my money. Carly, you're being videoed. Paparazzi's following. Carly. No, we were running because we were cold, and this windbreaker was not helping with all the wind.
When I don't want to do anything.
Okay, so right now, where are we going?
Hey,
You
give
already
me
know?
something because
Some panties?
no, I already
Girls.
have enough panties. No,
Oh yeah.
I'm going to get a shirt or a long. Oh, I need a long sleeve shirt.
So we made it to pink, right, Gabby?
Yeah,
And what are you looking for?
a long sleeve shirt.
Okay.
Are these joggers? Can you see me, Journey? Journey, can you see me? Yeah. Hey guys. And he's looking at some Hollister jackets. Oh yes, Jimmy. That's you, Jimmy. Get away from the door. Get away from the door. It's still sensors, cause yeah. The sensor bar is right there. Anyway, and he just went off the bleeper. No neck. But yeah, we're just just chilling. Shh. Journey just pinned Dawson with the needle, and people are coming in, and I feel cute. Anyway, yeah, goodbye.
This is the end of the vlog. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and check out my other videos.
Yes. Can you see me?
Yeah.
Look how ugly.